So first, I take 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I mix them together. I use this wide tooth comb to part my hair into 4 sections. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I grabbed some of the aloe vera coconut oil mixture and put some into the first section. I make sure I get it really well into my scalp. I separate it into 2 to also make sure I get it in between there and onto the scalp as much as possible. And then I just rub it in really good and work my way throughout the hair to the ends. I grabbed some more of it, and what they don't tell you is that it is very messy. So be sure to wear clothes that you don't really care about and do it somewhere where you can clean up the mess off the floor or off the sink or something. It's very egg-like as far as the texture goes. It's very slimy. So just be very careful about that and just rub it in all over your scalp and work your way to the ends of your hair. Continue working that through your hair. You can see that slimy texture once again, but just make sure you get it all over your hair as much as possible. You definitely want to make sure you get the back, the middle, everywhere. So here I'm just going to massage it into my scalp. Just keep on massaging it until you feel like it's well into your scalp. You'll see that I kept getting these big chunky parts of the aloe, and you can like poke those and some more of the slimy gooey stuff will come out. Then you want to cover your hair with a towel and leave that on for about an hour and just let the mixture sit on your hair. And then once the hour is up, you can remove the towel and proceed to wash, shampoo, and condition your hair the way you normally would. And then from there, after you rinse it out thoroughly, wash it, and condition it, you can do your choice of protective style. And this was my choice here. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.